In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make gourmet chanterelle butter using just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. All that you need are some cleaned chanterelle mushrooms. Chop them up into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup. Unsalted butter softened to room temperature, 3/4 cup. Chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons. Shallots, 4 tablespoons. Sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon. And cracked peppercorn, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use my own wild chanterelles that I picked from the forest. I'm going to cut off any bruised or bad areas, trim the stems, and then gently with a brush remove all dirt and debris. Next, I'm going to dry saute my chanterelles to remove the moisture for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. Then I'm going to throw in my garlic and dry saute that as well. If you want to add a little more garlic, that's fine. It's all just a matter of taste. Next, add your shallots. Turn the heat up to high and stir the onions around for about a minute. Then remove your pan from the heat. Add your salt and pepper, then stir it around. Spoon your contents of the pan onto a flat pan or a large plate and let it cool down. After it is cool, blend it into a bowl into your softened butter and place the butter in a container and cover it in a refrigerator. This should last about a week with proper refrigeration. Serve with hot crusty bread or slather it over steaks and chicken for a fabulous gourmet experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video.